Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to see your Yahoo Mail username and password if you forgot it. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to go to settings from your phone. So whatever type of phone you are using, just follow the procedure. So on getting to the setting on your phone, next thing you need to do is simply scroll down and navigate to Google. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Password Manager. So click on Continue. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and look for Yahoo. So just like so, yahoo.com. So click on that. Then enter your lock pattern. So boom. So it's as simple as that. So you can see your Yahoo username and your password. You can simply use this icon here to copy them one after the other and use it to have access to your Yahoo Mail on your phone. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to see your Yahoo username and password if you forgot it. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.